If you are editing video in 2026 and it still takes you longer to export than it did to record, you are definitely doing it wrong. Most creators I know burn hours, sometimes 3 or 4, just to get one piece of content out, hopping between 5 different apps that should talk to each other but simply do not. Today I am walking through 5 popular AI video tools and showing you which one actually fixes the pain point you probably have, because the answer is not to use them all. It is about using the right one, so by the end of this, you will know exactly which platform fits the way you work, not just which one sounds the fanciest. First up is FlexClip, which is not trying to pretend it is a full AI editor, but rather a rapid, structured video builder for marketers. Think of it as a conveyor belt for polished short-form ads and promos where you use templates, scaffolding, and drag-and-drop scenes. If you are running paid campaigns or churning out product teasers, this tool is absolute gold for getting things done quickly. The AI can even spin up a draft from a short prompt, like a smartwatch launch with specific features, and it puts the pieces where they belong. The real strength here is speed, as I can easily have a full launch teaser ready in under 10 minutes. However, the trade-off is flexibility, because if you want something bespoke with an off-kilter structure or weird pacing, FlexClip will feel like wearing someone else's shoes. It is built for scale and consistency, not auteur-level experimentation, making it perfect for marketers who need polished output fast. Next is HeyGen, which you have probably seen as those hyper-realistic avatar generators trending everywhere right now. This tool is for creators who either cannot or simply do not want to record themselves on camera every single day. You type a script, pick an AI presenter or train one from your own footage, choose the voice and pacing, and generate talking head clips. For volume, this is insane, as you can spin up dozens of tutorial-style or FAQ videos without ever stepping in front of the camera. The lip sync is impressively tight, and the delivery feels intentional enough for educational content where clarity is key. Where it falters is authenticity, because micro-expressions and tiny head movements still have that slightly produced vibe that feels artificial. It is perfectly fine for how-to content, but if your channel trades on personality and nuance, your audience might notice the difference. So HeyGen is perfect when your bottleneck is sheer output, but do not expect it to fully replace raw, vulnerable on-camera moments. Then there is Riverside, which is trying to be an actual end-to-end studio for recording, editing, enhancing, and publishing all in one place. The killer feature for me is the text-based editor, where instead of scrubbing a timeline, you just scan a transcript and highlight the sentences you want gone. With automated silence removal and filler word cleanup, you are cutting hours from the process by letting the software do the heavy lifting. Their repurposing tools are also great, automatically extracting short, snackable moments from your long-form episodes that are ready to post. Riverside's value is consolidation, making it the closest thing to a single platform that handles the full cycle for podcasters and course creators. The downsides are that the automation sometimes needs a human touch, and running everything in one app can feel expensive compared to stitching together cheaper tools. Now we move to the creative extreme. AI Master Pro with Clang 3.0, which is not about templates or avatars, but a full creative engine. This is a production layer where you generate custom cinematic assets like 8K photorealistic B-roll and surreal VFX that usually take a whole team to create. You prompt the scene in detail, including lighting, camera moves, and mood, and you get highly specific, professional-grade clips. The upside is creative control, but the downside is the steep learning curve, as prompt engineering really matters here. This is for creators who want to build rather than assemble, specifically filmmakers who want bespoke assets without needing a massive crew. Avideo.com sits in the toolbox as a fast source of raw material, hosting multiple generation models that let you test takes rapidly. It is great for quick B-roll and thumbnails, but it lacks the timeline, audio mixing, and scheduling features you need for a full production. So where does Vizard fit into this picture? Especially since most of us are simply drowning in long footage. We need 3 things: smart clipping that understands what will actually work, a way to get those clips scheduled, and a single place to manage everything. Vizard's core strength is auto-editing viral clips where you feed it a long recording and it automatically finds the moments with hookable intros. It chops them into social-ready clips with captions and formatting, and the algorithm feels more tuned to virality than just picking random interesting moments. Second, the auto-schedule feature is huge because you do not want to be in the business of manual posting every single day. Set your frequency and preferences, and Vizard will queue and publish clips at the times that fit your strategy perfectly. Third is the content calendar, a single place to see what is queued, what is published, and what needs tweaks without bouncing between different apps. To compare, FlexClip wins for speed, HeyGen wins for avatar scaling, and Riverside wins for studio consolidation, but Vizard wins on distribution. If your actual bottleneck is turning long content into consistent, high-performing short clips and getting them out on a schedule, Vizard is built for that. It focuses on the tired, repetitive work of finding hooks, captioning, and publishing so you can spend your time on content strategy instead. In a quick test, I uploaded a 45-minute interview and Vizard scanned it, flagged 12 clips for engagement, and scheduled them automatically. The whole thing took me under 20 minutes end to end, and if I had tried to do that manually with other tools, I would still be chasing the first export. No tool is perfect, and you might want to hand-finish some clips for nuance, but the value proposition of saved time and consistent output is obvious. So, choose the right tool. FlexClip for templates, HeyGen for avatars, Riverside for studio, Clang for creative, and Vizard for publishing. In 2026, the edge is not collecting more AI tools, it is choosing the right one for the bottleneck you actually have to stop burning out. Try Vizard on a backlog of your old long episodes and see how much time you get back, because time is the one thing no algorithm can regenerate.